Do you wish your students would make stronger connections between lessons? The activity that we're going to focus on today is called the word card review. Why should you do the word card review? The word card review is a great, fun, interactive, and engaging way to get your students thinking about and making connections to previously taught content. When you review information after a small period of time, it allows the brain to make stronger connections. This is especially important if you want your students to be able to recall the information when they need it. How do we do this activity? Well, the word card review is really easy to set up. You take brightly colored paper, you take something that you've previously taught, choose vocabulary that you would like the students to focus on, write it in the same color as the color of the marker on the chart. So if it's blue on the chart, you will write it in blue on the word card. Now these word cards, you can add scaffolds such as sketches or even images. You will introduce them to your class and allow students to turn and talk about the word card that they have, as well as where they think it might belong on the chart. Once you have this set up, you're ready for the word card review. Think about clues and activities that you want to use to get your students focusing on the words. For instance, you might take your ELA standards and focus in on digraphs. Does the word that they're looking at have digraphs in it? If so, use it as an opportunity to help trigger their memory, not only about the content, but about the ELA skill that you'll have them use. You'll provide clues until they recognize it's their turn. They'll hop up, come to the chart, and place their word on the chart. This is a fantastic way to get the brain to make connections with the sights, the sounds, the feelings, and the content. By using the word card review, you give your students an opportunity to think about what they've learned. You want to make sure that you start every lesson with a word card review, then build on with new information. The next day, you'll repeat the cycle. Start with the word card review, add new information, and in this way, students build their knowledge base a little at a time, and they can recall it for longer. I hope that you have as much fun practicing and using the word card review in your classroom as I have in mine.